Come with us on an adventure to Lowe's.
Okay, let's go to Lowe's.
Go to Lowe's?
We're not going that way yet.
So we've been back from Lowe's for a few hours now, but I'm going to show you what we got. We just got some seed starter mix soil. We got these little planters. Daxton had to have some green beans, so we went ahead and grabbed them. I'm not sure if I know how to grow these or will be successful, but we got them. And then I got cucumber and tomato to try out. Everly wants to grow some strawberries, so we'll probably pick up the pre-planted strawberries and plant those when I know it's gonna stay warm. Okay, so we're gonna do plants in a cup, okay?
There you go. What is it like this?
Okay, so we have tomatoes,
Tomato,
green beans,
kiwi,
and cucumbers.
and cucumber. I don't want to grow these because I don't like these.
Okay, so Sissy doesn't want to do tomatoes. Which one do you want to do, Sissy?
I want to do
Hey, listen, there's enough for everybody.
No.
We can share. There's enough for everybody, Dax.
Maybe we can pick one seed.
Okay, so Everly is gonna do green beans.
I love green beans. I love green beans, Mom.
You do. Okay, there's Everly's. And then Dax is also gonna do green beans.
I bet one cucumber.
Okay.
Okay. Mommy, where's the dirt?
I'm coming. Hold on. So Bubby's gonna do cucumbers. Okay. Put the seeds up here for now. We don't need them yet.
I want to do this one. Actually, the cucumbers.
Okay, so first what do we need?
Wait, a little bit seeds in here, Mom. There's a little bit of seeds in here. Mommy, it's a little seeds in here.
Hey, guys, listen to Mommy. Do what she says. Calm down.
Okay, so we're out in here. We have this.
We're gonna get the scissors.
Okay. Okay, this.
We need holes on the bottom of our cups.
Oh, yeah, you should have drilled.
Why? I think it's stuff on why, Mom?
That's a good question. We drill holes at the bottom. That way the roots don't rot. When you say rot,
What is rot?
it's when you water it and it stays too wet.
What is
The holes will help the water drain so it doesn't rot.
Whoa! No, we can do it, Mom.
We're gonna let Daddy drill some holes in your cup.
Okay. I hope they don't. The dirt goes. Let's have a big old spoon. Yeah, I think you.
Hey Sissy, do you know what the special dirt is called?
What?
Do you know?
I don't know.
Can you say soil?
Soil.
How many?
Maybe like
Can you that
4,
too?
6.
Just in the
Watch
bottom?
Dad. Yep. Watch Dad.
Oh my God! You just I'm so scared.
Maybe like 2 on the side. Like boom boom.
Like here?
Yeah.
But he's like popping them.
Bubby's turn.
Whoa, look at this. Oh. You can hear me?
Oh no!
I got a new one.
You can hear me, Daddy?
He went a little too hard on that one.
Okay. Oh!
One more. All right. Now Dax said cucumber.
Cucumber. Then I want this piece.
Green beans.
Mommy got a lot of
Okay, so what is the dirt called that we're using?
special
Yeah, what's it called? Remember?
dirt
Say soil.
soil.
Okay.
No.
Whoa, I'm coming. You better get up here. Alright, we're gonna use this spoon and shovel some soil into your cup.
Me first. Me first. Me
Okay,
for
go
two. Okay.
Oh. Slow and steady.
How about
Again?
me?
Easy, easy.
Okay, that's a lot.
Easy, easy.
Ooh. Okay.
Daxton, back up.
Hey, this is big old. Mom, it's almost to the top. Dude. Mommy, how long is this taking?
This is probably good right here. Whoa, you got it all in your hair, sis. Okay, Daxton's turn, so you're gonna sit and wait for Daxton to finish. Okay, Daxton. Sissy, you might have to help him a little bit.
Okay,
Help Sissy put dirt in your cup.
Okay. Oh, that was
Good job.
Mommy, my arm is kind of tired.
Do you want mommy to do it?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, Dax, hold your cup. Hold it steady.
Daddy. A little more dirt.
Perfect. Alright, we're done with the special dirt. What was the special dirt called?
Hey.
Special dirt, what's it called?
Soil.
Soil. Stay up here. Up. Okay, so let's read the package. Okay, so directly after danger of frost has passed, easier to grow. The plant
Why the party? I got party.
Okay, we're gonna do probably 3 seeds, okay? So Sissy, what you're gonna do is poke 3 holes in the soil.
Okay.
Oh, these are big.
Well,
These are big seeds.
let me see.
Let's go ahead and just do 2, okay? So put
no.
these right in the dirt, not too far down, just right inside.
Okay, it's hard to make the holes.
Okay.
1,
2. Push it in, push it in. Cover. And then we're gonna water it, okay?
I want to water it.
Okay, let's look at Daxton's.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I see my dirt.
All right, yours are pretty big too. We're gonna do 3.
Mommy,
Okay.
I can use it on my. What are you guys gonna do
Hold on,
for
did you
it?
poke the holes? Poke 3 holes. Spread them out. One more.
Poke.
Okay, now put the seeds inside the holes.
Okay.
Cover it up.
Cover it. Now we need some
Good job.
water.
Push it in. Good job.
Now we
One
need
more.
now we need some water. We need some water
Okay.
now. Mommy, we
Good
need some
job.
water
Okay,
now.
Okay. We're good, Daxton. Don't touch. Okay, now we need to do what? Don't mess with them anymore. They're in the dirt. Good. Sissy, did you
Water them.
Okay. Did you mess with yours after we did it? Yeah. I think they probably got too far down. Find them. Okay. How far down did you push them?
I didn't push them.
You didn't?
You push them.
Okay. I found one.
Mommy, we have to grow them.
Sissy, okay, this is kind of a disaster. Get up there, Daxton. Sissy, do you have the one? I gotta dump this out because it can't be too far down. We pushed it way too far down. I don't know where the other seed is, baby.
Where's the rest of the seeds? Look at my seed.
It has to be just at the top of the soil.
I didn't
Okay,
want
well.
seed.
No clue where where that other one went. So go ahead and put your dirt back in the cup.
Okay.
Bubby.
Oh, my hands are so messy. Mom, I don't want.
Oh, these kiddos don't listen.
Hey, Mom.
You pushed it too far down, Dax.
Okay, Mom. How much soil? My hands are getting really messy. Wait, I see a seed. I see seed. Seed.
Well, get it. Pick it up.
Look.
Okay, you found it. Let me have it. Put your dirt in, and then I'll put it back in because it can't be too far down.
I see
Put the
something.
dirt in.
I see something. I see something on there, Mom.
You do.
This. What's so
All right. It has to be a 1/2 inch down. So let Mommy place them just barely inside. Now don't touch it. Okay.
Okay.
Daxton, don't touch yours either. We're gonna water them.
I said why, Mom? My hands are so messy. Mommy, I really need to clean my hands with this water. I can clean my hands with the water.
In a minute. Put your cup on the plate.
Okay. For me.
Put your cup on the plate, but don't mess with the seeds.
Okay. I can't. I can't wait. You gonna do it inside?
Daxton, I have no clue.
Not inside. Outside.
Slowly pour some water in.
Okay. For me.
Okay, let that settle.
Whoa, what is coming out? What is coming out, Mom?
It is?
Yeah?
Yay!
But why we need the
Think
water
that's a little
out?
more. Oh, it's coming. See it?
Oh.
And I see one of your seeds.
One seed?
I see one of his seeds, so I'm going to push it just 1/2 inch down.
That's a big lake. Oh my God, mine's getting bigger.
Okay, so now that we have soil and water, what else does a plant need?
Sunshine.
Sunshine. So where should we put it?
We put it near the lamp.
How about near the window?
Yeah. But it's no sun.
Not today. It's a little bit cloudy today, but that's okay. Okay, we're not supposed to pick up the cup.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy's going to put it up here.
I can do this. Oh my God.
I think we overwatered yours. Watch out and I'll pour it some in the sink. Okay, so tomorrow, what are we going to do to help our plant grow? Yeah, what else?
Let it grow more.
What else? What do we pour on it?
Water.
Water. I'm going to go ahead and dump Daxton's plate as well.
Good. I'm going to sit for home.
Okay, y'all can go play.